don't feel like cooking. Maybe just something simple. I know. We can cook this. Lucifer. I've seen from the comments it's supposed to be really spicy and really smelly, and it sounds a lot like Lucifer, so maybe named for the devil. Who knows? We'll give it a go. It's a huge bag, so let's see what is inside. It's more complicated than I expected. Oh, it's all in Chinese. I just put it all in the pot, should be fine. Oh, soup base. Rest of those. Ooh. That's the smelly ingredients. I'm not sure what it is. That smells lovely. Oh, that's peanuts. Jimmy don't like peanuts. Vinegar. Jimmy doesn't like vinegar, so we'll keep that one out. I'll use that. Oh, that's chili oil. Ooh, put that in last, I believe. Oh, that's hot. Just there. It actually smells quite nice. Now, Junior really likes vegetables, so a whole bag of watercress, spinach and rockets. I think about 10 minutes should be good. Ooh. It's ready. My nose is burning already. Oh no. Oh no. Super spicy. I can't handle spicy food. It's delicious, but ow, I need some water. Oh, still better. I disagree with the comments who say it smells really bad. It actually smells quite nice, and it does taste nice. These, for instance, I think it's tofu. Yeah, it's really nice, but too much chili oil for me. I cannot handle spicy food. Good though.